Hi, it's Jason. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you the drive belt routing for a 2017 Chevy Silverado. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into this video. So here's my truck right here. First thing we are going to need to do is to get this drive belt right here and feed it, turn it sideways, and we're going to feed it in here past this pulley. Now once we get it on this pulley, okay, we're going to loop it around the balancer down here. Loop it around there. We're going to pull it, and then we're going to get our 1/2-inch tool and we are going to feed it onto the water pump right here. Okay, we got the drive belt on. If you need help, here is a diagram of how the belt is supposed to be routed right here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, have a great day.